In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut to a file in multiple locations in Google Drive. This is a simple way to keep one file accessible from several folders without creating duplicates or using extra storage. Shortcuts point back to the original file, so any updates happen in one place and are reflected everywhere the shortcut appears. Start by signing in to Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're in, find the file you want to reference in multiple places. This could be a document, spreadsheet, slide deck, PDF, or even a folder. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact item you want, since you'll be creating shortcuts to this original. Right-click the file to open the context menu. In that menu, look for Organize, then choose Add Shortcut. This tells Drive that you want to place a pointer to the file somewhere else rather than moving or copying it. It's important to choose Add Shortcut instead of Move. Move will relocate the original, while a shortcut simply gives you another access point. A window will pop up asking where to put the shortcut. Use the navigation pane to browse through My Drive, shared drives you can access, or any nested folders. You can also click into folders to drill down to the exact spot that makes sense for your workflow. When you've found the right destination, click Add or Add Shortcut to confirm. You'll see a brief confirmation, and in the target folder, the item will display with a small arrow icon indicating it's a shortcut. To place the same file in another location, repeat the process. Go back to the original file, right-click it again, select Organize, choose Add Shortcut, and pick a different folder. You can repeat this as many times as you need. Each shortcut remains lightweight, doesn't consume extra storage, and always opens the original file. A few tips to help you work smarter with shortcuts. If other people are using these folders, remember that shortcuts don't change permissions. Anyone opening the shortcut still needs access to the original file. If they can't open it, they'll be prompted to request permission from the owner. Also, shortcuts are great for cross-referencing files between project folders, team spaces, and personal organization systems, keeping everything tidy without scattering multiple copies. That's all there is to it. Log in, locate your file, right-click to add a shortcut, choose the folder, and repeat for as many locations as you need. This keeps your drive organized, consistent, and easy to navigate.